My Dermaflect Smart Day Cream, an advanced technology day cream that uses the power of the sun to enhance and accelerate the skin's ability to fight and repair environmental aggressors. Formulated with Smartvector UV-CE, an antioxidant complex and an ultraviolet sensitive membrane boosts a unique and patented delivery system for optimal treatment. When acted by ultraviolet light, it releases a highly effective antioxidant blend of vitamin C and E that helps even skin tone, brighten and reduce dark spots over time. Ectoin is a naturally occurring molecule that helps protect skin cells from environmental and ultraviolet damage, reduce inflammation, improve skin barrier function, and maintain balanced hydration. Hyaluronic acid, in a patented form of high molecular weight, delivers maximum hydration to improve skin smoothness, elasticity, and vitality. Mineral complex diffuses light to instantly blur the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Please visit nasifmdskincare.com to learn more.